Hi, this is Rakesh Roy in Watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to clear cache in your Windows 10 or 11 laptop or desktop. Maybe you are facing issue in gaming or other thing, so you want to clear the cache. How to clear the cache? If you right click on a task bar and open Task Manager, and if you click on performance and then memory, you will see here the cache. It is showing 8.5. I have a 16 GB RAM on this laptop, so 8.5 GB cache is showing here, so we need to clear this. Right now it is showing 16 GB RAM here, available RAM, and 8.6 is the cache. We need to clear it. So for that we need to install a Microsoft tool. For that, go to Google and search RAM map and hit enter. Open the first URL, scroll down a little bit and download this RAM map file from here. It is 671 KB file, a small file. It will not take much time, so it is downloaded. Once download, go to download folder and let's unzip it. Right click and extract all, then extract. Once done, right click on the first file. It is RAM map. The file size is 662 KB, so right click on it and run as admin, and then click on agree. You will see a small pop-up will open. Once open, we will open both the screens side by side so that we can see the changes immediately. So as you can see, the RAM is showing 16 GB here and the cache is 8.6. You just simply click on empty and then empty is standby list. Once we click on this, you will see the difference here. Simply click here, and as you can see, now it is showing in MB 1.46 or 52 MB. So whenever you need, you can use it again. Don't uninstall this application. Whenever it required, come to this option and click here. It will click the cache immediately. So if this video is helpful, if anyone required, share this video. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.